This 2025 Dynamax Corp isata 324FW is a Class C RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dynamax Corp is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a Crescent, Milano interior, sleeps 3, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2025 Dynamax Corp isata 324FW is built on a Mercedes Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.